So what's up guys, happy MCO to everyone. Welcome to the online tutorial of photogrammetry. So today's video is all about processing to create a 3D map. So let's get started. So as you can see, I already logged in my email into the Fix4D account. So there's two options here. In either you create new project or open an existing project. So our case, we just create new project. So for this video, I will name this project as 3D map. So I already browsed my selected folder as a default folder. So take the folder that you wanted as a default project location, so that all the saved data of the output or result from this processing will be saved in this type of folder. So project type in new project and just click next. Oh, sorry. In this case, I just 3D mapped. So select image. You must at least add 3 images from JPEG or TIFF if you want to continue the processing. So as our case, we processing a 3D map, therefore you must add every images. I will select all. And just click next after you add the images. So this is the image properties. So when all the image was selected and added, the information will be loaded automatically. As you can see here, the coordinate system, it will be WGS84 because our image geolocation coordinate system are getting from the GPS from the inbuilt on UAV. So that's why our image is WGS84 due to the GPS reading. So just click next. So this is the processing option template. So on the left side here, you have 6 processing template, which are 3D maps, 3D models, agriculture, the same 3 template, but with rapid processing and low resolution. So if you do not know what are the processing template, you just click on the template, and on the right side here it will show what type of input that you need and what is the output after all the processing are finished. So in our case, I choose 3D map. So the input image must be every images, and the output you can get auto mosaic, digital surface model, DSM, 3D mesh, and point cloud. So just click next. This is the select output coordinate system. So from this section, the option also loaded automatically, but if you want to convert to another coordinate system, just choose non-coordinate system and just type what type of coordinate system that you wanted. But in my case, I just choose auto detect, which is WGS84. Just click finish, and so you can see the 6 red dots here. This are all the geolocated image that you added earlier. So the image will be displayed on your study area due to the coordinate on the image. So this is the map view. Supposedly on the background it will be a Google Map Google Map displayed. But in my case, due to the internet connection are very poor, so the Google Map on the background are loading very slow. So it's okay, it doesn't affect all the processing. So this is the image. So on the below on the window you can see the three main processing in creating the 3D map. So in order to carry out the processing, you have two options. Is either you process it one by one. For example, you take the first step, which is initial processing, and after the first step is finished, until the first step, and take the second step, which is point cloud and mesh, and you do the same on the step 3, and you get the result. But if you want to be more easier, you just click all the steps and just start the processing. But before you start processing, click on the option and make sure that all your processing are customized and following what you are demanded. So point density will be optimal. You can choose high point density, but it will cause you very slow processing rate. So I choose low. For your assignment, you must choose high, but in this video I choose low for get a fast result. That's all. So in this 5-point cloud, you put LAS and LAS and LAZ. Okay, that's all. As for the step 3, no need to put anything. Just stick LAS and LAZ. If you want to go to select the SHP, which is shapefile. If you contour base, I create as 5 meter elevation interval. If you want to do 10, so I just leave it to 10 meter. If you want to do 20 meter interval or contour, you just type 20, but I leave it to 10. Resolution, okay. Index calculator, no need to change anything. This is resources, which means this is the maximum resources available processing, which is 8 GB RAM, CPU chip 4. If you have better hardware, then the processing will be fast. And then just click OK. So after all the settings are set up, and just click start. Okay, so I'll be back to you when all the processing are done. Okay, but guys, we are back. So I already finished all the processing, all the three step of processing. So if you notice, every time you finish all the step, the quality report will be generated and automatically show on your screen, right? So on the quality report, we show all the summary, quality checking, preview of pre-output, calibration detail, and etc. You can see from the report. You can read by yourself. So it will be, as I said, it will automatically display after each step of processing are finished. So this is the preview of your result after all the processing are complete. So there you are, all steps are finished. So now you can go to your folder that you have saved, the default folder you choose. So So all your data will be, you can see from here. So that's all for today processing video. We will do the 3D map. So we'll meet again in the next video, which is how to process a 3D model. So happy trying. Thank you.